aharshahina netweka zakasheshe President Museveni yahika omuri Jinja hatishayi kya St John's SS okurra emikoro y'okwijjuka emyaka 38 y'ekibiina kya NRM. President Museveni owabashendekyerezibwa omukazi w'eminisita Janet Kataha Museveni yayakirwa abebembezi nka Vice President Jessica Arupo, omuhwezi wa Speaker w'ishengyero rya Uganda Thomas Tayebwa, baminisita batari bamwe na bamwe hamwe n'abandi bebembezi kuruga omu kyanga kya Busoga. Ogu yabanza n'okurambura enyiriri z'abasirikare ezaba zidumirwe Colonel Henry Okumu Obo. President Museveni yasaba abanya-Uganda okumukwasa bakarwanisa ebikorwa by'obushomankuzi nk'okwiba emibazi omu marwariro, okukora emirimo y'ebishobobo hamwe n'ebindi bingi.
It seems there is some issue also with the amadagara marwariro.
Owekitiibwa President alikoba nti waliwo ensonga n'amadagala ya babanga wolikoba waliwo ensonga egemagana n'eddagala okuba mu malwariro gaife.
But that one also we are going to check.
Owekitiibwa President alikoba ati ekyo kyona ajakikekingako oba ajakirondoola abone lwaki.
That group told me about the marwariro and some issue of the drugs.
Era abantu abo ababayirenyenga bakobye President bamukobera ebigemagana n'amalwariro n'eddagala mu malwariro.
Abarukushisha eby'obuhangwa nk'okutahirira ebisharara hamwe n'ebindi nabo yabagambaho kandi yabahiga okuronda endiijo mihanda y'entaasya nk'okuriisa ebyenyanja hamwe n'okwejumbira omu myoga hamwe na PDM.
Nti ni mu 1995 President Museveni yali ayogera ku kintu kirala ekyo.
You never heard me talking about a bikado for a small person.
President alikoba ati ayo yali ayogera timwamuwulira ku ng'ayogera ku bikado ku muntu oyo alina ettaka itono.
Because to recommend a bikado to somebody with 4 acres or less is to condemn him to poverty.
Nti olw'okuba lwaki tawagira abantu balina ettaka itono kulima bikado w'okoba omuntu ow'ettaka itono alimu ebikado oba ng'oli musindika mu bwavu.
Ebikado, duuma, pamba, those are not crops for smallholders.
Nga President wakobye ebikado, duuma, pamba, nti ebyo tibirime bya muntu aina itaka itono.
We need those products, we need those crops, the country needs them, but they should be done by people with medium or large scale pieces of land.
Emikoro y'omwaka ogu yajagurizibwa hansi y'omuto guru kugira ngu Building Uganda We All Cherish.
Akobere nti n'olwekyo tusobola okola ekisoboka okolebwa aye ekizibu ekiriwo kinene ino niye enguzi.
Recently there was an audit by Auditor General which showed that there were many ghost workers being paid.
Waliwo ekitongole ekiboneka nti nikyo ekirondoola emirimu n'ensansanya ya gavumenti kyabira okuzuula nti abakozi ab'empewo oba emizimu egy'abakozi giri mu mingi ino aye nga babasasula esente negyaba.
Abakozi ab'emizimu
oba ab'emizimu.
aha mukoro gw'emidara 5 niyo yagabwa kandi haba harimo emidara 3 mikuru ogwa Distinguished Order of the Nile ogwahabwa wabira ry'omugabe wa Busoga His Royal Highness Henry Wakomoloki ogwa Distinguished Order of the Crested Crane kandi ogwahabwa Mr. Zara Sanon Moses okurwa mu district ya Kamuri hamwe n'ogwa Exemplary Service Order ogwahabwa wabireho umuhezo wa mukuru wa polisi ya Uganda Major General Sabit Muzeyi hamwe n'endijo myingi. President Museveni yahendera rukutongozaho base rukozesa amashanyarazi okuzurwa bakira ahabwa TV West ndi era akiza
mama